Boston from Philadelphia, train number 150, engine 654. Look at the tilt. Look at the tilt on that train. Let's see if we can catch up here. You know, my guess is that this is at least 8 cars. And we've got at least 2 or 3 people getting on. But look, if we get there in time, they don't clean these trains. They don't clean these engines at all. You think they could run them through somewhere, get them clean, to make them look presentable like they do in Europe. But this is only a couple years old, and it's all beat. It's filthy. Filthy. Look at the reflective tape. It's wearing off. It's got some dents in it. See if these last 30 years like the others, like the P-42s. You think they could run it through the train wash and make it look presentable? Since this is electric. There they go. On to Boston. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, diner 6, 7, 8, 9 cars. Usually it's 8 or 10. There they go. To Boston, train 150.